guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video.
Thank you for giving the knowledge to be able to do this and to have me come over my fear, of getting out there.
That's true, because she was really a nervous wreck. But she's done it, and this is what everybody can do. So we do again, Lori. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll let Jeffrey handle our next presentation, and that will be you have your next one, Jeffrey?
Well, the next one, can you hear me?
It's a little muffled to me, but
is it muffled to everyone else? I don't know. Is everyone else? Or what?
I think it's from the headphones, but go ahead.
Hold on. Is it
big shout outs, Lori, from everybody in the audience.
All right.
Thank you.
So the next one we have is the elite loan signing professional.
No,
right?
No, it's not. No.
No? Okay.
No. It's blue.
I see. Well, I thought you didn't. Oh, did you talk with you didn't? I thought okay. Anyway, well, for the top performing for the Field Inspector Award, that is going to Joseph Reed, because based upon the calculations, Mr. Joseph has got over 388 field inspections completed in 6 months. So that means, I don't know how you calculate that. You're doing a field inspection just about every day, isn't it? Is Mr. Joseph?
Yeah,
Mr. Joseph, can you?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You on one right now, aren't you?
No, I'm not on one.
Are you not?
But I'm on
the road.
Okay. I'm heading back in town.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty. Go
ahead.
Yeah, I do field inspections every day because it's one of these jobs I got. I do audits, so I do a lot of car audits, dealer audits. So I'm like over 50 of them a month.
Okay.
So that's how it increased like that.
So how did you get started doing that particular aspect of being a notary?
Of being a notary, or you talking about the field?
Of doing the field inspection. How did you start as far as the field inspection was concerned?
I started out doing sandcastle at first. And then once I did sandcastle, then I started signing up for some of the other companies. And I signed up, and I can't remember the platform, but I signed up on one of the platform for a field inspection. And this other company, I think it's CSI, they contacted me. And then I submitted my information. So and that's how I got that. So it's every month I do audits, but it just build up, and even next month they already got me set with 55 just with them.
Wow. And I'm going to shoot our own horn here, Mr. Joseph, just a little bit. I think this is where Jeffrey was trying to go to. So you learned about field inspection, though, from being a part of the program, because I think we talked about that before.
Right.
From being part of Notary Educators, that's how you learned about it and crafted it and have grown.
Right.
I mean, that's crazy. 388.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy when you do the numbers on it. I mean, like I said, they gave, I know already for next month, they gave me 55. It started out being 20 just with that particular company. And then I do, what that is, Velocity. I do Velocity. Velocity always give me I don't know. They may give me about 10, 15 a week or something like that. Roughly. They keep me busy. I always get a decent amount from Velocity.
And I know
So
you've even learned how to negotiate and counteroffer too. So
well,
yeah.
I don't counter. Well, I can't counter offer with Velocity, and I can't counter offer with the other one.
Well, it was one of them you told us about. You started out and then they end up increasing you to 100. And that was on one of the phone calls, if I'm not
I
mistaken.
can't for a field inspection. I'm not sure on the field inspection. I don't remember.
Okay. Okay. No
I'm
worries.
not
No
sure.
worries. Okay.
Yeah,
Cool. Very good. Well, we are so proud of you.
Congratulations.
Again,
That's excellent.
almost 400. Yeah,
thank
field
you.
inspections. That's amazing. And now you got a company reaching out to you with 50 a month. That's pretty good.
Lined up for January. That's what you're saying?
Right, it's already lined up for January. They actually giving me something else. They asked me if I want to inspect tractors. You know, tractors
Oh,
like for
construction,
farming tractors.
farming
Yeah,
tractors.
right.
Wow.
So
Very good. Very good. So to congratulate you on your achievement, we have a $25 Amazon gift card for you also.
thank you.
Yay.
Yeah, so we'll send you that as well as your certificate. If you want to post it in the group, you can once it comes to you. And again, just keep doing amazing work. We're so proud to be on your journey with you and have shared the opportunity with you. And people can see that field inspection is a real thing. It's not just hype. We have other people doing it too. So again, congratulations
Thank you.
and big shout
Mhm.
outs to you from the group.
Thanks.
Because the field inspection space, we had one other person that does so many. We had to do a second place for this one. And you want to talk about that one, Jeffrey? I'm not sure
Yeah.
she's here. Let me
I don't
see.
see her. I don't see her. That's what. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't see her on the line on here. But I
We're
guess we
gonna
might
keep it
just go ahead
moving
and.
in. Yeah, just go ahead.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go to.
Second
Um.
place for field inspection.
Oh. Okay. So, you just keep it going. In other words, we go ahead and talk about it because we were gonna. Okay, we passed. Okay. So we have for the second place we have Angela Irvin that's completed over 70 field inspections, 15 mystery shops, and 12 power of attorneys.
Yes.
So you see through the program the diversity of different jobs. The notaries wear different hats. And all you gotta do is put the hat on, you take one hat off and put another one on, you go in and do the job, and you get some money in your pocket. So hey, that's a great thing. So because of that, we're going to send her a $15 Amazon gift card as well. So we're gonna do that. So
And
congratulations, Angela. If you see this later on, this is going to be on the replay, right, Kim?
yes.
Yeah. So, uh, oh, I'm sorry, Kimmy. I'm sorry. That's her. Yeah, that's her. Say the name wrong. So
So we are so excited to celebrate Angela also. And the mystery shopping course, guys, only been out like less than 2 months.
2 months.
I'm thinking about 2 months. So for her to have completed 15 of them, we're pretty excited for her on that one.
Mhm.
And the POAs and again 70 field inspections. So that's amazing. It really is. It really is. So we're gonna go ahead and go back though, since our other person has not showed up yet. So we can keep everything moving. We know it's a holiday week, so anything you all would like to add before we move on? Anything you would like to add, period, about the field inspection or whatever? Anything? Nothing? Okay. No worries. We'll keep going.